What is up? My name is Jill and welcome to another video. Bitcoin recently reached the 64,000 level, and this is because of the approval of the spot Bitcoin ETF and of course the inflows of money flowing into these ETFs. So I recently made videos explaining that Bitcoin could probably hit all-time highs soon. And of course several predictions about altcoins that could probably hit their all-time highs soon. So if you want to know the latest trades and of course updates about the crypto market, make sure you hit that like, subscribe to the channel, and if you are new, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out in any of my crypto and trade updates. At the time of recording, BlackRock alone has accumulated a total of 161,265 Bitcoins with the amount or value of $10 billion. So this is just BlackRock alone, guys, not including the 8 other ETF participants. So right now there is an imbalance between supply and demand. And that is one of the reasons why the price keeps on going higher. And also you need to keep an eye on Ethereum and XRP, guys, because in the near future there is a possibility that we could probably see an approval for ETH spot ETF and XRP spot ETF. So these are the two altcoins that you need to keep an eye on. So we'll talk about the possible price target for Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, and other altcoins in this video. If you are ready, join me and let's dive right in. So let's talk about Bitcoin first. So you need to be extra careful right now because Bitcoin Fear and Greed Index is already on the extreme greed level since last week, guys. And right now we are on this 80 level. And based on historical data, every time Bitcoin trade or hit this 80 level on the Fear and Greed Index chart, we are expecting a major correction here, which is probably around 30 to 50%. And looking at the Bitcoin's chart on the daily time frame, we haven't really seen a major correction on the Bitcoin's price. And that is because of the imbalance between the supply and demand right now. So all these Bitcoin ETFs right now are approximately sucking up 10,000 Bitcoins daily, guys. And the average Bitcoins that the miners are producing is around 900 Bitcoins. So as an effect, because of the demand is higher than the current supply, that is why we are seeing this price surge right now. And Bitcoin has hit the $64,000, which we haven't seen since last November 2021. And looking at one article here from Coin Edition, BlackRock and other ETFs power Bitcoin's rally, trade 22 billion in the past 5 days. So according to Eric Balchunas, $22 billion in Bitcoin ETFs traded in the last 5 days. That is an unprecedented amount of money going into Bitcoin right now. BlackRock BYBIT alone traded over 1 billion daily in the past week. That is insane. ETF inflows resulted in an impressive rally for Bitcoin with the price soaring above $60,000. So today's weekend, Saturday, Sunday, there will be no ETF trading, guys. So if Bitcoin will continue to hold the current level, guys, if Bitcoin will continue to hold the current level here during the weekend, we might probably, and if inflows will continue on Monday, then we probably looking to hit the all-time high or even higher next week. So be ready, guys. Be ready. If that inflows 1 billion per day from BlackRock alone will continue, a total of 22 billion in the past 5 days for all of the Bitcoin ETF participants. If that inflow of money will continue, then we might probably see $70,000 next week, guys, for the Bitcoin's price. But looking again at the chart alone, we are right now approaching on the weekly time frame the overbought area. And if we are going to compare it to the previous price action here, we could probably be looking at this similar price action last 2020-2021 rally. So when the price was hovering at around $4,000, we have seen Bitcoin's price rally up to $41,000 and then made a major correction by almost 30% here before continuing its move higher. So right now we are probably seeing the similar price action here. From $16,000 we have seen the rally back to $50,000 and made a 20% correction right now and continue its rally to hit the previous highs at around $64,000. And if we're going to see similar price action, as what you can see here, Bitcoin hit the overbought area on the weekly time frame, and a huge bearish divergence was formed on the oscillator. Here we have seen a significant retracement here, and if that will follow, we might probably see $39,000 in the next 2 months. Let's see, how many days is this? So this is approximately 3 months, guys. So if Bitcoin is going to follow the same price action, then in the next 3 months, we might see Bitcoin drop back to 39,000 level or 40,000 level, which is the key support level right now for Bitcoin. And also, this is still in line with the next Bitcoin halving, which is happening around April, which is 2 months from now, guys. So this is still in line with my prediction of a possible final shakeout before a parabolic run. And also, this could be our last and final chance to accumulate Bitcoin. If you're not holding any cryptos in your spot, that is the easiest way to make money this bull run. And if you don't want to miss out on that next opportunity, make sure you like, subscribe, turn on that notification bell, not only on YouTube but also on your phone, guys. You can turn on the notification for YouTube on your phone to get you notified every time I post or upload a new video about Bitcoin and other crypto or altcoin analysis. So this is still in line with my final shakeout prediction in the next 2 to 3 months, guys. But again, this is very, very important. You need to keep an eye on the inflows, especially with this ETFs right now. The amount of inflows that the money is going in, and all of these ETFs are sucking up all the Bitcoin supply, will probably push the price even higher if the trend continues. And this is a unprecedented price action and could be the biggest bull run that we have ever seen in the Bitcoin's history. So talking about ETF, you also need to keep an eye on Ethereum, guys, and also ETC, because ETC and Ethereum has similar price action. And of course, there is a rumor about a possible approval of Ethereum spot ETF, guys. So from Bitcoin.com, Mad Money host Jim Cramer expects spot Ethereum ETF to bloom soon. Hopefully we'll not see inverse Cramer here. And another one from Economic Times. Ethereum ETFs, the next big push for bull run. Another one from CoinDesk, guys. Ether tops 2.4 as Cathie Wood's ARK Invest 21 shares amend spot ETH ETF filing. So right now, the narrative from Bitcoin is going towards Ethereum. And soon enough, there's also a rumor about a possible XRP spot ETF application, guys. So congratulations to those who were able to get into this Ethereum trade, guys. Beautiful, beautiful trade. We have hit our short-term target, which is $3,500. And soon, we might see that all-time high for Ethereum, guys. So watch out for the possible approval of ETF, spot ETF application. And also, there's a rumor about XRP, guys. So keep an eye on XRP as well. If you are following me on Twitter, I have recently tweeted about the possible target, $1 target for XRP, guys. So this was the previous analysis about XRP when the price was hovering near the support trend line. And also there was a news that came out about XRP, about a possible spot ETF for XRP, and of course there is a several bullish divergence forming on the oscillator. And look at this, guys. This is the latest update about the XRP's chart. So we have hit our minimum target, which is 0.6. Right now, we are on our way to 50% Fibonacci retracement level. And of course, our final short-term target, which is around 0.74, which will give us 30% unleveraged gain from our initial entry here. So this bullish divergence is playing out right now, and look at this super bullish candle, guys. This is a super bullish candle on the weekly time frame. So I'm still holding my XRP trade. Also, congratulations to those who are in our Discord community, guys. We have hit our final target for Ethereum, $3,500. I have already closed my trade, but there is still a chance that we could go even higher, and we're waiting for the Bitcoin's price action, guys, because right now we are at risk of a possible correction, again, because of the Bitcoin right now is on the extreme greed level, and the oscillator is hovering near the overbought area. So I think we are due for a correction. But again, if that inflow from Bitcoin spot ETF, if that demand continue, then we might see Bitcoin continue to move higher. So we are going to monitor the market, and I am going to continue to update you, of course, in our Discord daily. And of course, if you want to join our free public Telegram group, feel free to check out the link on the description down below. And if you want to stay up to date with my latest crypto trades, updates, and tweets, feel free to follow me on Twitter. And before we end this video, I'm going to share with you one chart, one altcoin that could potentially do a 200% unleveraged gain, guys. I have already tweeted about this, but I'm gonna share with you the chart on this video and the possible targets in the coming days. XRP 700%, beautiful, beautiful bounce from the support trend line. And of course, ETC, guys, I have already explained the target for ETC, possible $40 target if Ethereum continues to rally. And of course, this is the chart that I was talking about. I have shared this in our Discord community today. And of course, we have made a good amount of profit on this one. I'm talking about Power, guys. This is one of the altcoin that hasn't moved yet. And of course, all charts and TA are for educational purposes only and should not be considered as a financial advice. I could be wrong, and Power could go to zero tomorrow. We don't know. Nobody knows. So right now, this is the only altcoin that hasn't made a move yet, and the price is still consolidating on this level near the support trend line. And we have already made a significant amount of profit on this, but in my own opinion, there is still a chance that Power could continue to rally, guys. So let me open up the chart and let me share with you the possible targets for Power in the coming days. So we recently seen Floki, Shib, meme coin. This could be the sign that we are already on the top, guys, and we could be heading for a correction. All right, so looking at Power's chart daily time frame, Power loves to do this random wicks to the upside, guys. After a consolidation, Power loves to do this random wicks. Minimum 100% unleveraged gain. And this one right here is around 93%. Another one right here is around 200%. And another one which is around 250%. So right now, the price is consolidating, guys. The price is consolidating near the support trend line, and we got a beautiful bounce after that shakeout here, which is because of Coinbase showing zero balances into their accounts. Right now, we are seeing a bounce from the support trend line, and the price is hovering near this loud order block. But if Power is going to do similar 200% move, we actually have a very high loud order block here at around $1 area, and that will give us 200% from this support trend line or from this long entry point, which I have shared in our Discord community, guys. So watch out for Power. This is one of the altcoin that hasn't moved yet. Looking at the oscillator, we got a beautiful bounce from the zero level, which is bullish. And we are still very far from that overbought area, guys. So there is still a lot of room for a possible pump here for Power. Let's cross our fingers and let's see what will happen in the coming days. If you have enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and if you want to stay up to date, make sure you click that notification bell and click that bell button, guys. I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.